Yo, what's going on guys, this is Zaymex, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create game passes in Roblox Pls Donate, which will allow you to get Robux from donations and be able to play the game. There are two ways of doing this, one being with in-game passes and the other one with t-shirts. In the end, both work the same, but the clothes way will cost you Robux to make, so it's probably not recommended to get unless your stand is about clothes or other stuff which will convince people to donate in order to get a shirt. I'll still only be showing you the Game Pass way since it's free and super easy to make. In this whip, we want to head over the Roblox site where we'll see a button called create in the top left corner. Once you press that, you want to look for your own place, which should be public. To add buttons to our stand, we need to create game passes or t-shirts so people have stuff to buy. In the new page, you want to go to a button called associated items, which will load a new thing. In there, you want to go to the second section, which says passes. To make a pass, we need to hit the create button and give it a name. The Game Pass picture is optional and you don't necessarily need to add one. Once that's done, we want to press on the create pass button, which will get us back to the other page. You now want to click on your pass again and go to the sales section, which will help us set the price. To get this activated, you need to enable sales and set a price. I recommend making a lot of game passes and setting it with different Robux amounts, so people actually have a choice in how much they want to donate you. Once you set everything, you want to go back to the game and claim your stand, which will show all the game passes. It's a good thing to customize your stand and add some text, which will help you get some sales. Some people like to offer services like singing or other role-playing things like cooking. If you followed everything I said in this video, you should have a good to go stand ready to receive donations from people. This is Zaymex and I wish you good luck in your Please Donate adventure. Peace.